Hi everyone, it's Audie from Teaching Technology Across Generations, and in this video I'll cover how to use your Messages app on an iPhone. So I'm using an iPhone X if that might impact your what you're viewing on my screen. So I'm going to start off by just logging into my Messages app. So as you can see, these are all my messages. If you want to delete a conversation, all you have to do is swipe to your left on that conversation, and then you'll essentially tap the delete button, and it'll ask you to confirm it, and you confirm it, and it's gone. Next, I want to talk about how you can send voice dictations and just generals about when you're messaging someone. So first I will tap on a person to chat with, so I'll use that. And now if I want to send a message, I will click this bar at the bottom of my screen, and that takes me to this keyboard. Then I can basically type anything I want and send a message. If you want, there's a camera utility. So if you want to send your friend a image, then you can tap the camera, and now you have a camera essentially. I'm gonna click the done button. Then also you have the ability to send voice dictations. So there's two different ways of doing this. If I tap this button on the bottom right here, click that button again to stop that, and you can see right here how it'll show up my friend is texting me back right there, but he didn't say anything. So I'm gonna delete this. So that's one way you can use your voice to essentially dictate what you want to say. So next, you can also use this utility right here, which is like a voice message. So instead of typing out your words, it will play as a message so your friend can hear the voice. So I will, and it says tap and hold to record and send audio. So I let go, and now I have a voice memo of me talking. So to send that, I would click this button, and now it's sent. If you don't want to send it, there's an X button, and that's all you have to do there. Also relating to the camera, if you have a picture that you want to send, there's this button. You can click that, and you can select your video from here, and it will send. You can click that, and then you can click a send button, and there it goes. So now in terms of a group message, first I'm going to show you that you can also call FaceTime and find other info about the person directly from the Messages app. So if I click that audio button right above my cursor, that will call my person, and then the FaceTime button will FaceTime then, and then if I click info, I can see all their contact information and all the images I've shared here, and you can use all these settings and whatnot. And then if I click there, that'll lead me to their contact. So now in terms of group messages, here's a little group I've created. So note that many of the features I'm going to show you is just about you can only use it with people who have iPhones, so just keep that in mind. You can make groups with people who don't have iPhones. It just won't let you do things like name the conversation and whatnot. So I'm going to go to the info right here, and it's going to say enter a group name. So that's one of the things that only people with iPhones in the group can do. So I can enter a group name by tapping on it, and then basically I can type whatever I want, and now my group name is called hello. I'm going to delete that. So now you also have other options like adding contacts. You can add someone to your group, or you can leave the conversation if you want. And then also these are the other images that you can use. And again, you can FaceTime message or call right from the Messages app. So that's that. And I'll click the done button. And again, all the other features remain the same for a group. You can use the photos over here, or the camera, or the voice memos, or the voice recorder. And additionally, this also goes for a single person. There's a way that you can, this globe right here, you can click that, and it'll take you to all your different languages, essentially. So I have a lot of languages here: Chinese, Spanish, English, whatnot. Sorry. And you can also use emojis. So if I want to use an emoji, basically I click the emoji button, that little smiley face, and now I have all of these emojis that I can use, and I can click them and whatnot. And there it goes. And note that these are all different emojis to kind of guide you to what topic you want to go to. So if I hit the soccer ball, then it's going to take me to sports. So you can see, like, here I have running, and I have climbing and biking, and there's honestly a lot of options that you can use there. So you can see all of those different emojis. I think that's it in terms of messaging groups and messaging single people and all of that. So thank you for watching. Bye. Also, this is how you create a new text message. So I just go to this top right button, this blue button, click on that, and now I can type in whatever my contact is over here. So I'll just say right here, and now I click over here and I'm back to square one, and I can type my message.